Hi, my name is Mike Benson. I'm the welding instructor here at Golden Arms Career Academy. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of our curriculum here. We take them from our students from basic construction safety to metals into the welding department. And in the welding department, we introduce them into the oxy-fuel cutting and the plasma cutting techniques. And as you'll see in the videos ahead, or the still pictures ahead, you'll see some of the equipment that we're using. And we take them through SMAW welding, which is commonly known as stick. Then we go to the GMAW, which is commonly known as MIG. And then we take them into the flux core, which is real heavy in the industry right now. And then we take them into the GTAW, which is the TIG for your aluminum and stainless, and really high-tech welding is on your TIG side. We take them from being a basic helper all the way up through the welder 5 and 6. And we placed several of our students into the work-based learning program, placed them locally, and also after they've graduated, I've had several students that picked up decent welding jobs and made it their career. Also, I have students that graduated and went into the Coastal Pines College. So the opportunity is here for them, and the industry is in demand for them. And also, while they're here in this welding department, they'll have an opportunity to join the Skills and the Skills USA. We enter them into contests that helps them in their leadership skills, and also we take Excel competitions in Savannah. So we look forward to seeing the kids and hope this helps you out, and y'all have a good day.